proven process is a process that we've developed over 20 years. We've been able to figure out what is the way to success in making a project successful. It's a 6-step process, starting with discovery and then ending ultimately with making sure that the project has gone successful and the client's happy, and then return projects from that customer.
It's called the proven process for a reason, right? There are several steps, and a client can actually start at the very beginning, or sometimes they join at the 2nd or 3rd step, depending where they're at with other consultants. I really embrace the discovery phase of the proven process, because that's where we truly ask all the questions to understand what our clients are looking for. Our target market is a client that understands that their people are their greatest asset. The space they want to create for those people is hugely important in retaining and building upon those assets. So when a client understands that in the discovery phase, we can really figure out how to maximize their real estate, make their space productive, but most importantly, make it a space for their people to thrive.
The solve is, what is it going to be when they move in? So it's the floor plans, it's the specifications, it's all the fabrics and finishes and details, and making sure that the space is going to be ready for them when they move in. So it's pulling together all of the details and getting it to order and into installation.
I'm part of the sourcing aspect of our proven process. We try to find the best products for our clients, style-wise and functionality-wise.
I love sourcing because I love to be a resource for people, whether it be a Haworth product or over 250 lines that we can pull from. We really give them the freedom of choice to be able to design their space in a way that is successful and really reflects their culture. Implementation is really where we are able to bring together the nuts and bolts of the project. Our teams have over 15-20 years experience. They're running the projects and delivering your project on time.
Once the account managers and the designers have come together and really figured out what the solutions that the client needs will be, that's when it comes across my desk and I start working with the vendors, working with the client, making sure that their vision comes to life on time and efficiently.
Our quality assurance team is our own dedicated in-house team that will go and do the punch walk with the installers upon completion.
Punch is something that's kind of viewed as, okay, we're going to fix all this stuff that went wrong.
Everything that needs to be replaced or something that was damaged on site or during shipping, they'll get on the phone with the manufacturers directly and immediately start working on those items to help close out the project in a promptly manner.
At that time when people are moving in, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of stuff going on, and to know that there's a dedicated team to that, it's really worked out well for us and for our clients.
One of the exciting parts of the job that no one usually thinks about is that once they're in the space, it's not all said and done. You're going to live in the space, you're going to feel different things that work and don't work, so we're there as the partner to help analyze how they're productive, how they're not productive, and really help assemble the workspace that's organic and can change with their needs.
We're not just trying to sell you furniture. We are here to help you grow, be a partner with you. We really want this to be a long-term relationship.